Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we are going to discuss how to generate dual line chart in Tableau. So for this, we'll go in the environment of Tableau. First of all, click on Show Me and click on the dual combination charts. It specifies that it requires two measures and zero or more dimensions. So we will have to pick up two measures and one dimension. In case of Tableau, the variables are divided into two parts. This is the zone of measures, where continuous variables are placed. And this is a zone of dimension, where categorical variables are placed. Let us pick up two measures from here and one dimension from here. Drag it and drop it in the canvas. Now, click on this dual combination chart. The chart is ready. Now, I want to convert this bar chart into the line chart. So I'll go in the settings of the sum profit, click on it and activate the line chart from here. So you can see the line chart is ready. Dual line chart is ready. Now if I want to include one more measure, say for example the quantity, I'll pick up the quantity and drop it in the marks of sales on the label. You can see now we are having quantity also. Now if I want to pick up one dimension, I'll select category from here and drop it into the columns. So you can see that my now line chart has been divided into three different categories. This is for furniture, office supplies, and technology. So you can see here that in case of furniture, sales are very high, but profits are not doing well. Similarly, in case of office supplies, the sales are increasing and the profits are also increasing quite good. So this both these charts represent a good part that office supplies and technology are doing extremely well. But when we talk about furniture, it's a matter of work. I can pick up one more dimension from here, segment, and drop it in the rows. And now I will have nine different line charts. So this is a way you can generate dual line charts in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please don't forget to press the like button. You can refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau.